it's Workbench at Workbench Quagmire, back with day 23 of Free Code Camp Python certification. Today we're going to work on build a travel weather planner. This is one of the ones that popped up out of order from Free Code Camp. So here we go. Should be review if you've been following along sequentially. Build a travel weather planner. For this lab, you'll use conditional statements to determine whether commuting is possible based on the weather, the distance to travel, and availability of a vehicle. To fill the user stories below and get all the tests to pass to complete the lab. You should create the following variables. Distance in miles. We'll set that to 1 for now. Is raining. It's a Boolean. Is currently raining here. So make that true. Has bike. I do have a bike. And so we will make it true. Has car. I also have a car. So has car will be true. And has rideshare app. That is false. I do not have a rideshare app. Okay. You should use conditional statements to determine whether commuting is possible based on the values of these variables. You should use if, else, elif, and else statements to evaluate the distance categories in ascending order. If the distance mi is a falsy value, you should print false. If the distance is less than or equal to 1 mile, you should print true only if it's not raining. Otherwise, you should print false. So if distance mi less than or equal to 1 mile. Oh. And is not raining. Is not print true. Else false. Okay. So right now we have 1 mile and true. So if we make this false, if it's not raining, it should be true. And then if we make this 2 miles, it's false again. So that's our first thing here. If the distance is greater than 1 mile and less than 6 miles, okay. Elif distance is greater than 1 mile and distance is less than or equal to 6 miles, should print true only if the person has a bicycle and it's not raining. So and has bike would be true, and is raining is not raining. So this would be why they would take a bike, or why I would take a bike. Oh. Print true. I probably misspelled distance. Oh, I did use. There we go. So now we're over 1 mile. So we're skipping this first if. We're going here. We're within this range here. I have a bike. Uh, and we have said it is not raining. So we get true. Now, if we make this greater than 6, so let's make that 7, it's false. If we make it rain, it's false. And the other is if I don't have a bicycle, it should be false. There we go. So I think we've satisfied that one. And then the last one here, if the distance is greater than 6, you should print true if the person has a car or has a rideshare app. Otherwise, print false. So if distance, let's use the correct variable name this time, greater than 6. And now this is going to be an or. So has car or has, that's a long variable. I'm just going to copy it. Makes perfect sense. It's a great variable name. I just don't want to type it a bunch. And then colon print true. Okay, in this case, let's see. We go greater than 6. So we go 7. And I have a car or a rideshare app. So if I say I don't have a car, it's false. Actually, let's test this one. But if I do have a rideshare app, it is true. So I think I've satisfied everything. I'm probably wrong. Nope, I was right. So there we go. Day 23 of the Free Code Camp Python certification in 100 days is down. We were rewarded with a face-melting guitar solo for that one. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And during the next video, barring something that pops up, we will start our very first certification project. I'm looking forward to that. So until then, see ya.